Bagger 293 is one of the largest land machines ever built, designed to excavate massive volumes of earth continuously. Thousands of components, human planning, and precision engineering come together to build and operate this mining giant safely inside open pit operations.
The site is clear. Beginning the morning run now. Over.
This lubrication point is clear.
Okay, noted. I'll update the log. Go ahead and apply the grease.
Increased debris on the east side.
Acknowledged. Adjusting bucket angle to compensate.
These wear plates are almost gone.
And the geometry here is out of spec by 10 millimeters.
Adjusting the speed now, it should stabilize.
Confirmed. Looks good.
Watch the depth sensor readings. I'm adjusting the bucket angle now.
Confirmed. Throttle stabilized at 50%.
Scale of the operation highlights the massive power systems required, leading us to examine its control logic and energy consumption.
All right, hold it steady. Move it forward, slowly.
Engaging hydraulics. It's moving into position now.
Rotate it slightly clockwise.
Hold position. Indicator is stable.
Proceeding with the first tension pass.
Rotates freely. Engagement confirmed. No resistance noted.
Clear the exclusion zone immediately. Stand clear of the load. Lift begins now.
The part concludes with a wide cinematic shot of the partially assembled Bagger 293 towering over the mine.
The thickness here is down to the limit.
Look at the gouging on the lining. It's wearing fast.
Increase conveyor speed by 10%.
Acknowledged. Speed is normalized and stabilized.
The transition is complete. We now focus on the bagger's mobility, steering, and terrain adaptation in the next phase.
Make sure it's seated properly in the channel.
Looks good. Hand me the clamp. All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance on the left side. That's the last one. It's secure.
Looks good. Ready for inspection.
How's the alignment looking on this side?
Within spec, the auto lube system seems to be working correctly. All right, initiate pressurization sequence. Pressure is rising steadily, holding it nominal.
Grid connection B shows a sudden spike.
Adjusting the load balancer now.
There. Are the vibration levels within tolerance? This gauge seems slightly high.
Let me check the historical data.
The vibration readings are within tolerance here.
Agreed. But look at the wear indicators on this coupling.
This gearbox bearing is running significantly hotter than the others.
Agreed. We should initiate a closer inspection immediately.
Is the replacement manifold prepped and ready to go?
Yes, calibrated and tagged according to spec.
Excellent. Let's move it to the staging area.
These distribution points cycle automatically, drastically reducing the need for manual intervention during long shifts.
Pressure is holding steady at 40 psi.
Confirmed. System looks nominal according to the checklist.
Our system-driven design ensures continuous material flow, optimizing the process from excavation to offloading. And so the part concludes, demonstrating flawless operation and signaling the long-term reliability of this enduring legacy. Increasing excavation speed. Keep an eye on the load balance.
Acknowledged. Conveyor output is dropping slightly, correcting now.
Testing telemetry link 1-2.
Reading you loud and clear, ground team.
This wear data suggests we need to inspect the primary coupling sooner than expected.
Agreed. I'll move the service schedule forward to next Tuesday.
Move the bagger 293 further east towards Sector 4. Bagger 293 represents the peak of human engineering, coordination, and industrial discipline. Such machines operate safely and efficiently only through skilled human oversight, planning, and maintenance. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Gen Artisan for more cinematic documentaries on the world's most powerful machines.